Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see one of the C programming concept, which is nothing but file handling. Observe, C programming language provides some inbuilt methods in order to handle the files. Okay. Generally, what do we do with the files? We open a file, right? We will write the content into the file, or we will read the content from the file, or we will move the cursor within the file, right? We will move to the starting, we will move to the required positions like that. And for each of these tasks, there are some built-in methods provided by C programming language. Observe here, you can open a file, you can get the data from the file, you can put or you can write the data into the file, and you can move the cursor as per your wish using fseek function. Rewind function is used to move the cursor to the starting of the file, and you can close the file after your operations has been done, right? Now let's see an example to write the content into the file and to read the data from the file. Now see here, let me take a file pointer. Initially, file star fp is the file pointer I had considered, and then let me take some data I want to write. Character data, let be hello everyone is the message I want to write into the file. And then let me open up the file first. Fp equal to fopen, right? Fopen, the file name. Let the file name is mysample.txt is a file name, and I am going to open this file in write mode. Why? Because I want to write into the file, right? Write mode. And then let me check whether file has been opened successfully or not. If fp equal to null, which means what? There's a problem with opening the file, right? So let me write the message as fail to open the file \n, and if opening has been successful, let me write it here. Else, right? Else I need to write a message as file opened successfully. Okay, file has been opened successfully, and then once the file has been opened, I need to write the content into it, right? In order to do that, I need to take a function fputs. Fputs of the data you want to write and the file you want to write is nothing but fp. Now let me write the message as content was written successfully. Okay, let me copy and write the message here. Data written successfully. After writing the data into it, I want to close the file, right? Let me close the file. Fclose of file pointer, and let me write the message again. File closed successfully. Okay, closed successfully. This is the code in order to write some content into the file. Okay, let me save this and let me execute this. You see the messages: file opened, data written, and file closed successfully. How can you trust me, right? Whether the file may already created, right? So let me show you the contents then. Okay, let me show you the contents. This is the documents, right? You can see my sample.txt file has been created and message has been shown here, right? Right? You can observe when it was created, 8:50. You can see the time, 8:50, right? Now let me see. Let me delete this file again, and we will create it one more time so that you can able to observe. Okay, let me write it as hi everyone. Let me change the content. Okay, let me save and execute that. See, data written, right? So observe, file has been created, right? Hi everyone. In this way, you can write some content into the file using the function fputs. You can also use fgets also. Okay, fgets to read the content, and fprintf is also used to write the content. Okay, now let's see how to access the content present in the file into our program. Okay, now see, I'm going to do some simple modification here itself. I created a file and I'm going to open the file in the read mode, okay, to read the content. Okay, same file I'm opening to read, and file opened successfully. And what I'm going to do was, let me write the getters function then. Okay, fgets of the data and fp, which means the file pointer's data will be stored into the data variable. Let me take it as some 20, means 20 characters like that, okay, per line. Now you can get that data. Once you got the data from the file, let me print the data then. Okay, print the data from the file, right? The data we got is percentage yes. Why? Because this is the character data, right? So percentage yes \1, and the data variable I'm going to print. Data read successfully. Let me write it. Data read successfully. File closed successfully. Let me execute here. Right? Can you able to get this? The data we got is hi everyone. Why? Because the sample.txt file is containing the data hi everyone. Now see, let me save this and let me change the content in this one, in documents, where the my sample.txt, right? Let me check out. Yeah, my sample.txt file. We can able to get that. Let me write the message as hello guys. Okay. Let me save and you try here. Okay. Let me execute one more time. See, the content has been modified, right? We are reading the updated content. In this way, you can handle the file, okay, using the C programming. You can practice this type of functions. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.